With multiplication and division, it's important for students to construct their own strategies on how to solve a problem and solve an answer, and to build like strong number relationships between other numbers. It's also really important to provide discussion at the end of a problem, because it allows for students to hear other students' ideas and ways that they solved their problem using their own strategies. Okay, class, we're going to talk about phone numbers today. Does everyone know what their phone number is? Mm-hmm. You know what your phone number is? That's really important. Emily, do you mind writing your phone number on the board?
Sure.
Thanks.
There it is.
Great job, Emily.
Thanks.
Okay, you can have a seat.
Okay.
Okay, now, does everyone know the first three numbers? Do you know what they're called? They're called the prefix of the phone number.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I know. Isn't that interesting? So we're just going to talk about the first three numbers today. We're also going to talk about multiplying. Does anyone know? You guys know what multiplying is, don't you?
Yeah.
It's fun, isn't it?
I love multiplying.
Multiplying is fun. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to have one of you tell me what the answer is when you multiply those three first numbers. Who knows? Michelle, can you tell me what the answer is?
12.
12. Oh, how did you get that?
Well, I always can remember that 6 times 2 is 12 because it's like putting 6 and 6 together, and then everything multiplied by 1 is always the same. So 12 times 1 is 12.
Oh, okay. So did you multiply the 2 and the 1 first, or did you multiply the 6 and the 2 first?
The 6 and the 2 first.
Okay. Oh, that's a great strategy. Did anyone else have a different strategy they'd like to share? Abby, what was your strategy?
Well, I multiplied 2 times 1 because it was the easiest, and I got 2 because anything times 1 is itself, like my friend Michelle said. And then I decided to take that 2 and multiply it by 6, and that one I knew is 12 because I memorized it. And also, like Michelle said, you can just add 6 and then another 6.
Mm-hmm.
I did the same thing as Abby.
Did you really? Good job, guys. Okay, now, Abby, do you mind writing your number on the board too?
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so can someone multiply the first 3 digits of that number? Raise your hand when you find an answer. Emily, what is it?
I think it's 36.
36? Why do you think it's 36?
Because 6 times 6 I know is 36, and then doesn't the 0 just go away?
So 0, what do you think about the 0? Does someone want to talk about the 0? Michelle, what do you think about the 0?
The 0, if you multiply something by 0, it's 0.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Oh, 0 is a tricky one, isn't it?
Mhm. Now I know. Okay.
So what do you think the answer is now?
Oh, I think I know now. Thanks, Michelle. I think it's 0 now.
Good job, guys. That's wonderful. So if that answer is 0 and that answer is 12, which one's bigger and which one's smaller?
This one's bigger.
Yeah.
The 12's bigger.
The 12 is bigger. So Emily's 3 digits are bigger too? Or if you multiply all those together, that would be bigger than Abby's 3 digits? Okay, awesome. Thanks, guys. It's important to encourage collaborative learning whenever you're discussing multiplication and division.